We've all seen the pictures. The perfect shot of the Eiffel Tower, the dazzling chaos of Times Square, the iconic Santorini sunset. They're the titans of travel that fill our feeds, but the glossy photos don't tell the whole story. They omit the 2-hour queues, the forest of selfie sticks, and the hollow feeling that you're just ticking a box on a global checklist. Is this really what it means to explore our world? But what if 2025 could be different? What if the real magic isn't found in the crowded epicenters, but in the quiet corners of the map? The most transformative journeys lie off the beaten path. Imagine a world where culture is raw and unfiltered, where ancient traditions are a vibrant part of daily life, not a staged performance. Picture landscapes so wild they remind you of the planet's untamed power, and adventures that push you to connect with nature, with others, and with yourself. This is where true discovery happens, waiting for the few curious enough to look beyond the obvious. That's why today, we're sharing our most coveted list yet. The 7 hidden gems of 2025 you need to see before they land on everyone's radar. These aren't just dots on a map. They are gateways to unforgettable journeys. From forgotten ancient cities shrouded in mist, to vibrant coastal towns where time seems to stand still, each one offers a rare window for genuine adventure. So stick around, because this isn't just about where to go next. It's about how to travel in a way that truly changes you. And if you believe in travel that goes deeper and seeks authenticity, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join our community of modern-day explorers. You won't want to miss what we uncover next. As Cameroon approaches 65 years of independence in 2025, a new era of discovery is dawning. For decades, this nation has flown under the radar, but the secret is getting out. It's rightfully called Africa in miniature, a place where you can experience the entire continent's soul within one border, a mosaic of landscapes and cultures. Your journey could begin on the coast, where the golden sands of Kribi meet the Atlantic. Here, the stunning Lobe waterfalls cascade directly into the ocean, a rare natural wonder. From there, venture inland to the vibrant pulse of its cities. Feel the energy of Douala, the economic powerhouse, before exploring the 7 hills of the capital, Yaoundé. Dive into its bustling markets, a kaleidoscope of colorful fabrics, rich aromas, and the sounds of a nation alive with over 250 ethnic groups. But the true adventure lies in the wild. Trek through ancient rainforests in Korup National Park, where the air is thick with the calls of exotic birds. In the south, you can track western lowland gorillas, a truly humbling experience. Or head north to Waza National Park, where vast herds of elephants still roam free across the savannah, a timeless and powerful sight that connects you to the raw spirit of Africa. For the traveler who craves diversity and authentic experiences far from the crowds, Cameroon is the ultimate destination. Subscribe now, because a gem this precious won't stay hidden for long. Stretching 676 kilometers, the Jordan Trail is more than a hike. It's a journey through history. You'll walk Roman ruins, sleep in Bedouin tents, and stand in awe before Petra's rose-red wonder. Lonely Planet calls it one of the world's great trails, and 2025 might be the year it breaks into the mainstream. Adventure seekers, don't just watch. Subscribe and discover the trails the world hasn't yet claimed. Lithuania, crowned Europe's green capital of 2025, is rewriting what sustainable travel looks like. Its Baroque capital Vilnius pulses with creativity, while the countryside offers endless lakes and forests. Eco-resorts, bike-friendly cities, and zero-waste festivals prove a small nation can lead by example. If you're curious about greener ways to travel, subscribe. We're mapping out the future of eco-adventures. Paris steals headlines, but in 2025, Toulouse, the pink city, steals hearts. Its rose-hued brick buildings glow at sunset, while the Garonne River hums with cafe life and art galleries thrive around every corner. It's French culture with a southern soul, relaxed, beautiful, and irresistibly livable. Travelers who only know Paris are missing this. Subscribe and let's uncover Europe beyond the postcards. Fiji has always been paradise, but in 2025, it's a paradise with purpose. From eco-friendly resorts to marine sanctuaries, Fiji is setting the bar for sustainable tourism. Swim through kaleidoscopic reefs, join a village ceremony, or just sink into a hammock as turquoise waters whisper at your feet. This is travel that heals the soul and the planet. Hit subscribe for more tropical escapes with a conscience. Kerala, long called God's own country, is rising again in 2025 as India's most enchanting escape. Glide through palm-lined backwaters on a houseboat, trek to waterfalls hidden in rainforests, and taste spices that fueled ancient trade. Beyond the beauty, Kerala is also a leader in ecotourism, blending tradition with sustainability. Subscribe and dive deeper into Asia's treasures that the crowds still overlook. Albania, Europe's secret coastline. Here the Ionian Sea glitters with turquoise beaches rivaling Greece, but at a fraction of the cost. Add ancient ruins, Ottoman castles, and Tirana's energetic nightlife, and you've got the Mediterranean's most underrated destination. Albania is affordable, authentic, and unforgettable. Want more secrets like this? You know what to do. Hit subscribe. From Cameroon's wild safaris to Albania's turquoise coast, we've journeyed through lands that pulse with untold stories. These hidden gems aren't just places on a map, they are living narratives waiting for you to become a part of them. Travel in 2025 is about more than a vacation. It's about profound discovery, finding not just a new landscape but a new perspective within yourself. It's about meaningful sustainability, traveling in a way that honors and protects these precious environments and supports local communities. And it's about true adventure, found not just in the thrill of a climb, but in the courage to embrace the unknown. And here's the truth. Most people will miss them. They'll stick to the well-trodden tourist trails, chasing the same photos while missing the soul of a place. But not you. The fact that you're here proves you're different. You're driven by a curiosity that seeks the authentic, the profound, the experiences that truly change you. You understand that the greatest rewards are found not on the main road, but in the quiet corners of the world that others simply overlook. So make that curiosity your compass. Subscribe now and join a community of travelers who always find the hidden paths. We're not just tourists, we are story seekers and conscious explorers. By joining us, you're getting more than just tips for your next trip. You're adopting a philosophy of travel. Your next great journey starts right now, with the click of a button, and continues with the next video.